Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up or disable face unlock on your HP ENVY X360. So first I'm gonna go to the start button, then I'm gonna go to settings app, and I'm gonna show you all of that. So let's go to the accounts. Now go to sign in options. Then here I have my facial recognition set up already. So first I'm gonna show you how to disable that. Then I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So I'm gonna click on remove. Then it's removed and it's disabled. To set it up again, click on setup. Now click on get started. Then enter your PIN or password depending on what is set. Then you need to position your face within the frame. And keep looking at the camera. After a moment it'll be set up, so you can click on close. And now as I lock my screen, so I'm gonna click on Windows and L, it locks. And to unlock it, just slide up, then look at your camera and it'll unlock pretty quickly. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.